Decided to become a CPA as a result of taking an accounting class in my senior year of high school, and just really enjoyed the concept of accounting and became passionate about it and decided to make that my long-term career. My favorite part of accounting is working with clients and owners directly in advisory capabilities to help them grow and solve problems that they do have. I'm a certified fraud examiner, and what that entails is working with clients to look at their internal controls and ways to strengthen them so that they could avoid any potential fraud that may occur in the future. I work in our mergers and acquisition area, where we work with clients who are looking to buy businesses and perform financial due diligence to assist them in making their purchasing decision. I do perform CFO services for clients who have temporary needs, and also assist them in filling those needs if necessary.